still broken. Why won't this shit focus? It's a new phone. There it is. So I'm about to go get a master cylinder now. What's up with the focus on this shit? So, yeah, I couldn't find one video on YouTube where anyone's doing this generation Silverado. I can't even, I'm not even like a domestic kind of like, I'm not even a truck dude. So I can't tell you what generation Silverado I have. I think it's the third. Yeah, they're going to flame me if I'm wrong, but it's cool. You know, you see I do the German stuff. But all of them, the ones that I did see, they were like breaking these, you know, the lines from the master first, you know, and then popping the brake lines all the way off and then pulling the master all the way off. And I was like, you know, if there's enough space for me to like squeeze this bitch out, I'm just going to do that. So just in case, because these are always tight as fuck. Damn, I keep cursing. I just broke them, I just loosened them. So in the event that I couldn't back this all the way out, like squeeze this piece out, I'd still be able to hold on to this and just hit it with a wrench like 13 and fully take them out. But brake lines suck, bro. Like, if you don't have to, leave them alone. So, let's see if I can, we can squeeze this thing out. Skills are top shelf. Top shelf, boy. Let's see. Damn it, I'm just gonna do one hand. I feel like I need to. Definitely need to. One-hander. Looks like we got the right part. And that's it. It wasn't all that bad. So, like I said, it's 4/16s. These four you hit from the inside. 4/16s. You're gonna need a deep neck, right? Because the threads are long. You can use a short. I believe this was a 15. And I think these up here were 15s. This was just two 15s. And then there's that one little 10 mil that holds the brake safety switch on there. But I'm gonna give you a little shot of that too, just in case nobody's ever seen it. Like I said, I've never seen one. One person had a video. They all got the older Silverados doing this to it, like 2006 and below. It's the only videos I could find on YouTube. So there you go. All right, popped it back in the hole. All right, I'm just gonna come on to the other side. Okay. You're gonna need 16 deep neck. I actually had to use a few different size extensions, all three variations. So this one for the two bottom, this one I think for the top right, and then just a bit alone for the top left. All right, and it's these four. That's what you're looking at. All right, so let's see. I'm just gonna finger bang one of them on for you. You can see, right? All right, we got one. light is not on, but you get the picture. I mean, no pun intended. I'm actually fixing the truck right now. Well, I got the new brake booster on there. I'm about to turn it on, see if it's gonna work, but I feel like that line right there is fucking got a small leak on it now. I hate when you go to fix something and make a new fucking problem.